Hello everybody. Today will be another feminine hygiene hack. We're going to start off by saying this video will be about dusting powder. And if you know, like I know, have you ever been in a grocery store or in a place and all you smell is an older lady's perfume, like just flourishing through the place, and you like, oh my god, everywhere she go I smell it. Like an older person could come to your house and you just smell their perfume, smell like Avon and Mary Kate and all of that stuff, White Diamond and all of that. It's a reason why they stuff stay on, y'all, and I'm ready to put y'all onto it right now. The first thing you're gonna need for this dusting powder is you're gonna need a container, and I purchased this from Marshall's. It was $4.99. I also purchased this from Marshall's. It was $3. It is a bronzer brush. Okay, so the next thing you will need is cornstarch. Now, you can buy cornstarch baby powder, but I prefer to know what's going in my product, so I'm just going to make it on my own. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. The next thing you will need is these cotton rounds. You're going to need this for your oil and perfume. So you're going to need a few of these. You're going to need a body oil. I'm going to be using this unscented oil. You're going to need perfumes. Whichever perfumes you want to use, you can use. And you're also going to need a misting spray. So the next thing you're going to need is, I'm going to use this mixing container just to mix my oil and my perfumes in. So I'm going to do that first. All right. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my oils to this little container. So I'm going to take this little container and I'm going to put some oil in it. And then next, I'm going to take my perfume of choice and I'm going to spray it into here. Spray a few pumps now. A few pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what that's going to do, the oil locks in fragrance. When I put on my perfumes, that's why I oil first. So you're going to put that in there. And then you're going to take your cotton round and you're going to let it soak it up. And I'm going to do like 3 or 4 and just let it soak up all of those smell goods, all of those smells. Just let it sit, okay? Might need a little bit more to put on top, but just let that sit and chill out for a bit. All right. Now we're going to take our cornstarch. This is the brand that I chose. And you're going to take your container. This is such a cute little container, y'all. And it's like vacuum sealed. And the reason why I got it is because it has this. And when using dusting powders, you know how it can get. I'm trying to see if I can take this out. Hopefully I can. There it is. Okay. So now we're going to open our dusting powder and we're going to layer this thing. So I'm going to spray a little bit of my mist. This is my cheaper perfume in the bottom of the container that we're layering. Okay. Then you're going to take and we're going to spray a little bit of perfume on one of these cotton rounds. Put the cotton round in there. Then you take your cornstarch and you're going to layer it on top of that. Okay? Okay. Next, I'm going to take my oiled cotton round. Oh my God, it smells so good. And I'm going to start. Let me put y'all on to something. Okay. If you have an old makeup palette, like so, you see where it's dented really bad? We're going to take this light shimmer color right here that's barely there. And I'm going to get a spoon or a spatula, whatever you have. If you want yours to have shimmer in it, what you're going to do is you're going to take this and want your dusting powder to have shimmer in it, then you put a shimmer dust in it. I'm going to be using this because I like that bronze look. And this is just gold eyeshadow and use a champagne color, and when you rub it on your skin, do you see how it gives me that golden bronze look? I like that over glitter. So I just took a scoop and put it in my dusting powder like that. All right, next we're going to layer some more. We're going to take another cotton swab And we're going to put that cotton swab in here, right? Then we're going to get some more cornstarch, and we're going to pour that on top. We're just layering it. That's all we're doing. Then I'm going to take another little scoop of my shimmer dust and put that in there, right? And we're going to just keep layering until the whole thing is full, okay? Last one. And I'm just going to take and put some dust powder in on the top, the shimmer powder. And I'm also going to spray some of the perfume on top. I'm going to take and close it up tight. And you want to shake it. And you're going to just let this sit and sit. And it's just, the smell is just going to keep growing and getting better and better and better and better. Okay. Now. Okay. So we have it all finished now. I'm going to open it. And you have your dusting powder. You would take your dusting brush. Okay. We're all done. So what you would do is you would take a shower, cleanse your body well with a bath cloth and soap, whichever soap you want to use. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You're going to moisturize yourself. You're going to take your bath. You're going to moisturize. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your dusting powder. Like in the old days when you put baby powder on babies, you're going to put it in your hot spots. So you would take it and put it here. You would put it here in the creases of your arms, around your neck, boobs, under boobs, creases of your legs, behind your kneecaps, underneath your booty cheeks, in all the areas you want to dust. Your ankles, you would put behind your ears like you would dust with this dusting powder. After you dust with the dusting powder, you would take, that's why I like this type of brush over the brushes, the bigger pom-pom brushes, because you can dust. Like if I put some on right now, and I'll show you for example. Okay. If I put some on and let it sit, put it in my creases, you see how I can dust it off and get all of the excess off of me afterwards? That's what you want. So what you would do is take your perfume, spray your perfume on, give it some time to marinate. You would take your dusting powder and you would dust that spot with that dusting brush. And what that will do is that will keep that smell on you like white on rice, okay? Then dust it on off. Dust the excess off. But baby, when I say you're gonna smell good, you're gonna smell good, and it's gonna stick on you, because just like when you apply foundation and then afterwards you have to put powder on top to set it, it's the same way with perfumes and stuff. So that's what this process is. And yeah, afterwards, y'all try this. I ain't even gonna try this. If you're gonna be using anything that smells like candy, Prada, the Prada candy, I mean, is it Prada? Yeah, Prada perfume candy, Circus Olay. Put this lotion on with it, and I promise you, this lady, I had went to this store and then I had to go back because I forgot something. And she was like, I don't know what you had on, but I kept smelling candy and I knew it was you. She was like, and it smells so good. What did you have on? And it was that circus. I had